Welcome to Data in Nutshell. In this video, we are going to see how we can convert text from one language to another with the help of Google Sheet. So in this, you have to open your Google Sheet, place your text in any of the columns, and once it is there, then we have to use a formula which is known as Google Translate. So in row 3, I have mentioned the language name in which we are going to convert. First Hindi, Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu, Japanese and Russian. And above this row, in row number 2, we have entered the code. This code you can get it from internet, that for Hindi, what is the code which we can use it in the formula. So for Hindi it is HI, for Bengali it is BN and so on. So let's start with the formula equals to Google Translate. What text we want to translate, click that, comma. And what is the source language? Source language is English. So we know that, double quotes EN. And what is the target language? Target language is HI. So I'll just select the row here, and I know that this particular cell is going to move in horizontal fashion. So I'm going to put a $sign here and then close it. And also in A4, this particular cell is going to move vertically. So I'm going to put a $sign before A. Once it is done, click enter, and it will take some time and it will convert. Now you can just drag it in any language you want, and also drag down for all the text to convert into different languages. It could be name, it could be address, it could be location, and you can get converted into any language. I hope this video will definitely help you in translating text from one language to another. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.